Cuban President Miguel Díaz-Canel and the head of the British delegation, Lord David Trisman, presided over the opening session with nearly 30 British entrepreneurs present. For 2 days, they explored new trade opportunities in areas such as biotechnology, financial services, and renewable energy. This, despite Washington's decision to permit U.S. citizens to file lawsuits against foreign companies doing business in Cuba. Lord Trisman said British businesses won't be intimidated.
Brussels and London have no intention of simply agreeing to allow extraterritorial litigation to go without a proportionate response.
For nearly a quarter century, U.S. presidents have blocked such lawsuits until this year. Cuban trade officials said the Trump administration reversed this policy to scare away potential investors.
People are afraid to do deals with Cuba. People are afraid to invest in Cuba or in Cuban assets because they are afraid of the sanctions against their company, against their families, against whatever they are doing in Cuba or outside Cuba.
Despite U.S. pressures on third parties not to do business with Cuba, the U.K. is one of the countries that have decided to keep building healthy trade and commercial relations with the Caribbean island nation. Among the British delegates was Chris Bennett, Managing Director of the Caribbean Council, the consulting group that created Cuba Initiative to strengthen trade with the UK. Bennett said Havana can expect to see more British investment.
The British want to see security of their investment, and they want to see a return on their investment. If they are confident that they will have their investment secure and it will be safe here in Cuba, which they can be and will be, and they're secure that they can see a return and a profit over the years in their investment, then they will come and they will invest here. And they already have, and they've been very happy.
Cuban Foreign Trade and Investment Minister Rodrigo Malmierca, co-chair of the Cuba Initiative, said recent visits to London by the Cuban President Díaz-Canel and to Cuba by the Prince of Wales helped make this possible. The Cuba Initiative, launched in 1995, has been instrumental in supporting bilateral investment in agriculture, renewable energies, and backed financial services and tourism. Luis Chirino, CGTN, Havana.